This is question number 8 from the 1.5 MyLab Math homework on general problem-solving strategies. And here we're given a question. We're going to have to read through it. We're going to have to pick out clues. We're going to have to use those clues to find some specific values, and we're going to do it with the guess and check method. We're not going to use algebra. So let's start by reading the problem. So we're told the administration at City Center Community College has formed a 36-person planning committee. So that's a total. There's 36 people on this committee. There are 3 times as many administrators as there are students, and 6 more faculty members than students. So I'm seeing 3 types of people on this committee. There are administrators, there are students, and there are faculty members. Okay, and there's some relationships between the different amounts of each group. Assuming that there are only administrators, students, and faculty members on the committee, how many students are there on the committee? So we're only being asked to find the number of students. How many students are on the committee? They're not asking me to find how many administrators and faculty members, just how many students. Okay, so I'm going to use a table to help organize and keep track of my guess and check method. And I can start by guessing the number of the administrators if I want. I can guess a number of students. I can guess faculty members. But I'm going to start with, I'm just going to guess the number of students. So why am I doing that? Why am I going to start by guessing the number of students? I'm doing that because when I read my clues, the clues always refer back to the number of students. So let's read this first clue again. There are 3 times as many administrators as there are students. So I'm comparing administrators to students. There's 3 times as many administrators as students. If I know the number of students, I just triple it. I do 3 times to get administrators. Okay, and then the other clue says there's 6 more faculty members than students. So now they're comparing faculty members to students. If I know the number of students, I just add 6 to it and I get faculty members. So since both of those clues are directly referencing my students, the number of students, I'm going to start by guessing number of students. So let me make a table. So here's my table. I'm going to start by guessing a number of students. I'm going to use that guess to calculate the number of administrators, and I'm going to use that guess to calculate the number of faculty members. And then I'm going to see, I'm going to check, do they really add up to 36 total people on the committee? I don't know. Let's check. So let's just guess a number for students. I know it has to be less than 36 because 36 total. So I'm just going to start with 10. I'm going to guess 10 students. Okay. So if there's 10 students and we're told there are 3 times as many administrators as there are students, so that means there's more administrators than students, 3 times as many more. So if there are 10 students and I triple that, that's going to give me the number of administrators. That would make 30 administrators. And I can stop right there because if I add 10 students and 30 administrators, I'm already way over 36, right? But I'm going to keep going just to see the process here. Okay, so if there were 10 students, then there would be triple that, 3 times that. There'd be 30 administrators. And then we're also told there's 6 more faculty members than students. So I would take the number of students and add 6 to it, and that would give me faculty members. But if I add up 10 students, 30 administrators, and 16 faculty members, that's going to put me at 56, which is way over my total. So I need to go, my guess is way too high, way too high. My outcome is way too high. That means this 10 is too high. So I'm going to just guess a number way lower than 10. I don't know. Let's guess 3. Okay. If there are 3 students, then I take the number of students and I triple it to get the number of administrators. So 3 tripled, 3 times 3 is 9. And then I would take the number of students and add 6 to it to get the number of faculty members. So 3 plus 6 is 9 again. Oh, that's funny. So if I add 3 plus 9, now I'm way too low, right? So that would give me 18, 19, 20, 21. So that's way too low. Too low. So now I just need to adjust my guess. So 10 was too high. 3 is too low. Let's try 5. Okay, let's try 5. So I'm going to take 5 students and triple it. That would give me 15 administrators. I'm going to take 5 students and add 6 to it. That would give me 11 faculty members, and I'm just going to add those up and check if I really get 36 there. So when I add this up, what does that give me? That gives me 20 plus 11. Oh, I'm getting closer, 31. It's close, but it's still too low. So let's raise that up. I'm just going to raise it up a little bit, though. Let's raise it to 6. If there's 6 students, I'm going to mark here, this is still too low. If there's 6 students and I triple it, that's going to bring me up to 18. And if I take those 6 students and I add 6 to it, that's going to bring me to 12. Okay, so let's add up 6 plus 18 plus 12 and see what we get. So that's going to be 18 plus 12 is 30 plus it. That's 36. We got it. This is correct. So we found the correct combination of students, administrators, and faculty members, but it's only asking us to find how many students were on the committee. So the only answer I'm going to enter is that there were 6 students on the committee. 6 students on the committee. Okay, if you have any follow-up questions, don't hesitate to email me or come see me in office hours, or you can reach out to our awesome instructional associates. They're there to help you. There's tutors in the Learning Lab. They're your classmates. You also have those 5 free hours of tutoring 24/7 on BrainFuse. So reach out if you need help. There are lots of ways to get help. Math is a language. You got to talk it out, guys. Okay.